Welcome to my blog. Today with me is Lewis Crocker, a second year environmental student from Plymouth University, to answer some questions about sustainability. So Lewis, what's your understanding of the word sustainability?
I think sustainability is not exploiting the Earth's resources so that future generations of humans and other organisms can continue to thrive and just kind of live on this planet all harmoniously.
So what do you believe is the biggest sustainability issue we face today?
Climate change is by far the biggest sustainability issue that we have facing this planet for the next few generations, and it needs to be tackled instantly.
Have you participated in any events that contribute to a sustainable future?
I sometimes participate in beach cleans or nature cleans, but I personally have chosen to mainly change my lifestyle choices, which can sometimes be harder, but yeah.
So what do you do in your day-to-day life that you feel contributes to a more sustainable way of living?
First, being a vegetarian will cut down your carbon emissions and kind of help with sustainability issues. I cycle and walk to most places, trying to avoid using my car as much as possible. I also usually only buy sustainable or ethical products, and by choosing this environmental science degree, I feel like I have dedicated my entire life towards this issue.
And finally, how would you promote living a more sustainable way of life to others?
I would start by showing people the consequences of their actions so they can understand and influence more people. Because once people understand what's happening in this world, they'll realise and wake up and tell everyone else.
Okay, thank you for answering those questions.
Thank you very much.
And now with me we have Garion Field, who is also an environmental science student from Plymouth University, to answer some more questions. So, Garion, what's your understanding of the word sustainability?
Sustainability means to me the ability of a society to consume its resources at a rate which does not exceed the natural replenishment rate. This can also be through the use of non-toxic products which would otherwise pollute the environment, caring for the long-term health of the environment and leading an ethical lifestyle.
And what do you believe is the biggest sustainability issue today?
I believe that the use of fossil fuels is the biggest issue today. This is because the combustion of fossil fuels in combustion engines produces CO2, which is a greenhouse gas. This contributes to climate change through global warming.
And have you yourself participated in any events that contribute to a sustainable future?
I have been to one beach clean with Surfers Against Sewage in Cornwall. We collected plastic from the beach, and this plastic was sorted into separate carrier bags, which were then used to make new products. Also, on a day-to-day basis, I follow a vegan diet, using my consumer power to buy products which are sustainable.
So that you said that you're a vegan, do you feel like this contributes to a more sustainable way of living?
I definitely do. I've been a vegan for just over 2 years now, and animal agriculture is a large source of methane, which is another greenhouse gas like carbon dioxide, and it contributes to the global warming effect. And also, soil erosion caused by intensive agriculture from the animal agriculture industry is another problem environmentally, and I believe that being a vegan reduces the impact of this.
And finally, Garion, how would you promote living a more sustainable way of life to others?
I think through video and on social media is a really effective way of doing this because it's visual and it engages the audience on a mass scale.
Thank you for answering those questions for me, Garion.
Thank you.